In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Bookmap. To get started, make sure Bookmap is fully closed before you install any update. If you currently have charts, layouts, or workspaces open, save your work first and then exit the application completely. This helps prevent conflicts during installation and makes the update process much smoother. Once Bookmap is closed, head to the official Bookmap download portal and sign in to your account. You'll need to use your Bookmap account credentials to access the available downloads. After you're logged in, look for the version that matches your operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac OS. Choosing the correct installer is important since the update file is different depending on the device you're using. Next, select the latest version available. In most cases, the production or stable release is the best choice, especially if you want the most reliable experience. If you see alpha or beta versions, those are typically meant for users who want to test newer features and don't mind possible experimental changes. For most people, sticking with the stable version is the safer option. Now click download and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a moment. When the file is ready, open the installer. If your operating system asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. From here, just follow the setup wizard on your screen. Usually this means accepting the license agreement, leaving the default installation location as it is unless you use a custom setup, and then clicking install. In most cases, installing the new version over your existing one will update Bookmap without removing your saved workspaces, which is helpful if you've already customized your environment. After the installation is complete, launch Bookmap again. Most updates will keep your activation information, so you may not need to do anything else. However, if Bookmap asks for your license key, return to the Bookmap portal, copy the key from there, and paste it into the app. If prompted, sign in as well to complete activation. Finally, verify that the update was successful. Once Bookmap opens, go to the Help menu or the Application menu depending on your system and select About Bookmap. There, you should see the current version number. Make sure it matches the latest release you downloaded. And that's it. Your Bookmap installation should now be fully updated and ready to use.